Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open Nothing X application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it right here. Now scroll down and you need to find About. Then tap on it, and right here at the top we have firmware update, so you need to tap on it. It checked for updates and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.